Right, this is a great example of machine tool companies working with tooling companies. So here we've got the index machine and we're on the horn stand. What they've done though, so we can see what's going on inside the machine, they've got a high-speed camera and a strobe. So it actually looks like the component isn't actually spinning, but it is. So Mikhail, there's a number of different operations here and you're making this component, which is really, really interesting component. Can you talk me through just, a few of them first? What tools and what's actually happening, please?
Hello, in this machine we demonstration advantages of horn tools. So the really interesting step, it is broaching. It is profiling operation with one inset. We use only one tools for profiling, for turning, instead of 3 or 2 tools. Also interesting application, it is polygon milling. If you want to get a hexagon, yes,
Yeah.
it's called.
Yeah, so the flats on a hexagon, yeah.
That's a hexagon.
Yeah.
You can use these tools. It takes really small time.
Yeah.
Small, okay, for getting the hexagon.
Okay, so if we just look at the component quickly.
You can see in the quality of surface, it's really good.
Okay. And then the profile that you're cutting that you mentioned?
The profile,
Yep. And that's just with the one tool?
yes, as I said, it's one tool for whole profile.
And then the broaching here?
Also, yes.
Yep.
Really interesting operation, broaching. We can use this machine for getting envelopes plane, gear operation, some slots.
Yep. No, it's a really, really great component. Now, it comes from, let me just grab this down here. So it comes from this blank billet here, well, forging.
Yes, we take this blank with special cutting area. It's neat for demonstration on the screen.
Okay. And then your machine is, how long does this take?
It takes 10 minutes from blank to part, to whole part.
Mikhail, impressive stuff, thank you very much. And great way of working together, so index and horn.